Just 1 second. So how is task going on? So does everybody update your info in Google Drive? Anybody done it? Yes, if not done, please send the request. I just give you access to, edit that sheet. All right, guys. Yeah. Just one moment. So how is projects, guys? Everybody's completed. So no need to worry. So today, tomorrow, I will take completely theoretical session. And so you have a 4 days today, tomorrow, and Saturday, Sunday. Yeah. So by Monday, everybody please complete. Clear? By Monday, I want everyone to be complete. Yes. So that Monday we're going to see another work. In the 2 day, we're going to understand what exactly mean by exploratory data analysis. It's very important. All right. What exactly that? Exploratory data analysis. And it is very important sessions, guys, because if you do not understand, no Washim, Saturday, Sunday, normally I won't take sessions. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, please get it. Yes, Ajad. I can talk to you later, right? Not now. I have to change the phone and then I'd speak. I was having other batch sessions. I was trying to explain some of the, the projects which looks like this. Just one moment. Are you able to see multiple images? Are you see this, guys? From one image, I can plot multiple images, isn't it? So we're going to build this advanced projects in upcoming days. How do I do this? So all credit goes to OpenCV part. All right. All credit goes to OpenCV part. Understand, guys? So we're going to build a lot of things because when you see any images in front of it, okay, see it color only the white color don't detect and rest of things it detects. This is called green detections. This is called, red color. I don't have anything called red at this moment, or else it will detect. Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see some advanced projects like this in upcoming days, but I want you to please attend all the sessions so that we can understand rest of things, guys. Clear, Washim? Okay, Ajad? Yes, Argha, all of them. Clear what exactly I'm saying, guys? Okay. Now let's stop this one. Can we wait for our friends because 38 participants joined so far? We just wait for a couple of minutes. I will share this PDF file, not today, tomorrow. Okay. Today and tomorrow we will complete exploratory data analysis, and Saturday, Sunday, you complete all the project list, whatever I just assigned to you, this part, 5 projects, please complete by Monday and come back on Monday. We're going to work on another projects. All right. Now, what exactly mean by EDA? Good morning, Avinav. Let's talk about, I think we stopped yesterday from here. Yes. I think we stopped here, isn't it, guys? All right. So I hope you understand, to create the visualizations, we need to clean the data. Agree or not agree? To create visualizations in the data set, any values are missing. Can we build the model or can we do the visualizations? Not possible, isn't it? So now today we understand a lot of secret information. Excuse me. Sir, I was absent for 1 week classes because I couldn't get user ID and password. I will able to understand form these concepts without that classes. Excellent. Good, very good. Without classes, if you understand, then very soon you have to show your offer, isn't it? Let's see. Let's see. Good, Venkatesh, but please try to do not miss any sessions from here onwards. Okay. All right. Now, today I'm going to talk about what exactly the 7-step process. So if you see this, the first one is called variable identifications, univariate analysis, bivariate analysis, missing value treatments, outlier treatments, variable transformations, variable creations. So what exactly all this all about? Let me talk about. So in interview, if someone asking what is EDA, okay, how to clean the data, how to clean the data, or we called as data cleansing, okay, or also technical term we called as feature engineering. Okay, what is meant by feature? What is meant by feature team? Attributes, right? What is meant by engineering? Research. In the data set, before you build the machine learning model, you have to research the attributes which is need to considered or not. So all those things, there is a 7 steps we need to learn. The first one is called variable identifications. What exactly the first step? Variable identifications. Second step, univariate analysis. Third step, bivariate analysis. Understand? And the fourth step becomes missing value. Where do you find the missing value? In raw data or clean data? Raw data or clean data? Where do you get the missing values, guys? Raw data. What is difference between raw data and clean data? Anybody? The data set which you don't have any missing values, right? It's a proper manner. That's called raw data. I'm sorry, clean. The fifth one is called outlier treatment. Outlier treatment. And the sixth one is called variable transformations. What exactly mean by this? And seventh one is called variable creations. So sounds like more simple, but the power is very, very important, guys, for these concepts. Understand what exactly I'm talking about? Online team, are you understand, guys? Right, Avinav. Now let's talk one by one. If we complete all 7 steps, then exploratory data analysis theoretically complete. Okay, theoretically complete, but practical, I will show you when machine learning will start. Understand, guys? Practically, I will show all the concepts when machine learning will start, guys. Are you understand or not? Now, let's talk about the first concepts, which is called variable identifications. Team, listen very carefully. Any questions, just post your questions and let me know. All right. The first thing is variable identifications. I want to ask very simple questions. In a family, you have father, mother, brother, and sister, right? So listen to me very carefully. Small examples is very powerful information. So now tell me, everyone, who is dependent and who is independent variable? So who is dependent and who is independent variable? Father is independent. What about others? Online team? In a family, father is independent, father and mother is independent, brother and sister is dependent. Okay, this is the way you think. But you know, how do I think? I think your mother, brother, sister, all three depends on father. So father is dependent variable. Agree or not? Isn't it? And mother is independent variable. Okay. Understand guys what exactly I'm saying? So brother is independent variable and sister is independent variable. Clear? Understand so far? So what exactly mean by dependent variable? Let me try to understand now. Let's come back to the regressions and classifications. Now, anyone tell me what is equation of regressions, guys? Mx plus, that's, but let me tell you. If dependent variable is continuous in nature, so I hope you see, I am trying to fit the connections between EDA to machine learning. This is what the technical part. Got it? What exactly I'm saying? If the dependent variable is continuous in nature, this is called regressions problem statement, or we used regression algorithms. What are the regression algorithms, guys? So in regressions algorithms, we have simple linear, I'll talk short forms right now, multiple linear, polynomial regressions, support vector regressions, decision tree regressions, random forest regressions, regularizations techniques, regularizations techniques. Just 1 second. Like L1 and L2. Okay, all those things we're going to implement. See, if you do not understand in the data set, if you don't understand the dependent variable, do you think you build a proper model? Do you think you're going to build the model, guys? Okay, so the identifications, variable identification is very important things. Online team, are you clear or not? So father dependent, mother independent, brother independent, sister independent variable. Understand? Now what exactly classifications? If dependent variable is binary in nature, then this is called classifications. What are the classifications algorithms we have, guys? We have logistic regressions, support vector machines, KNN, naive Bayes, and decision tree, random forest, XGBoost, add a boost, all right, and rest of things, logistic regressions. That's it. Add a boost, I'm sorry, or cat boost. Add a boost and cat boost, both the same. And also gradient descent over here. In linear, we just mentioned gradient descent, stochastic gradient descent. All right, guys, I hope you understand. So now, if you do not understand EDA, you never build machine learning algorithms. So please understand very carefully all these things, guys. So what exactly all by this? Let's talk about variable identifications. I wanted to give you a small understanding. CNN, that comes under deep learning, Venkatesh. All right. This is just a machine learning. After that, we go to the NLP. And after that, we go to the deep learning. In deep learning, we have neural network. In neural network, we have ANN, CNN, and RNN. All those things we're going to discuss later. Clear? All right. Now, I wanted to explain one use case right now, and you have to answer me. If you understand, then the EDA is clear. Excel. Just one moment. Close. Okay. Let's say number. The business use cases. You wanted to purchase the house. All right. So price of the house. What exactly I'm saying? Price of the house. Little bit zoom up. 14. Now, customer's name, customer's number, customer's name, customer gender, customer mobile, customer skin color, customer hair color. All right. And one moment. Okay. And rest of things, his height of the customer, height of the customer. Just one moment. Height of the customer. Just one moment. And weight of the customer, and then square feet of the house. Does the house is nearest to the school, or does the house is nearest to the shopping mall? Does the house is nearest to the, like metro? And price of the house. Now, this is what attributes I have in the data. This is how many attributes I have in the data, guys. Let's 1, 2, 3, and here goes on. It's 13 attribute, isn't it? How many attributes we have? 13 attributes. Please get in. Okay, now 1 second. Skin color, hair color, weight, square feet of the house, the school nearest to the house, shopping mall, and metro, and your 13 office locations and 14. All right. Now let's say I have some attributes, informations like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, name A, B, C, D, gender male, rest of things blank, mobile 4, 5, 6, and rest of things is blank. Please get in. Skin color white, black, rest of things is missing. Hair color, black, and rest of thing is missing. Height 23, 44, and 56 missing. Weight of the customer is 56 pounds, and missing. Square feet, 100 square feet house, 200 square feet house, 300 square feet house, and 400 square feet house. Does the school nearest to the house? Yes. No. Shopping? No. Yes. Metro? Yes. No. Office nearest to the locations? Yes. And no. And the price of the house is 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, and 4 million. Got it? So I created the data sets right like this. Understand, online team? So let's all border. Okay. Now, is this a raw data or clean data? This is the raw data. Excellent. So now let's try to catch. There's a lot of missing value, isn't it? Now, out of 13, 14 attributes, the first thing, give me what are the dependent variable, what are the independent variable. Answer, think, and give me. Everyone. I mean, you guys going to buy the house for your family. Think like that. You are a data scientist. You're going to buy the house for your family. And I just wanted to think about, this is a raw data is given up, and you saw 100 square feet house. The price is 1 million. You have 200 square feet, 2 million, 300 square feet, 3 million, 400 square feet, 4 million. All right. And there's a 4 customers. They're the 4 customers. And these are the customers' name and their detailed informations. Got it? So now these are the mobile numbers, because I just shortcut. Please understand this is a numerical. So this data contains how many type of data? Numerical and categorical data. Understand or not? The data set contains numerical data and categorical data. Give me answer which is dependent variable, which is independent variable. Okay. Name square feet. Name square feet price is dependent. Now name square feet price is dependent. What about online teams? Venkatesh? Square feet name is dependent. Price is dependent. Arga said price is dependent. Price is dependent. Now, what about other independent? Excuse me, I'm sorry. Okay, so think and answer me, guys. See, let me tell you. Once you pay the price to the builder, that house is yours, isn't it? Once you pay the price to the builder or real estate guys, the house is yours. Agree or not agree? So before you pay the price, don't you think you need to consider all these attributes? Yes, team. So how come name and square feet would be dependent? All are incorrect. All are incorrect. Okay, so now let me tell you here, price is, just 1 second. So I could say price is dependent variable, rest of them are independent variable. Agree or not agree? All right. So here in technical terms, always dependent variable would be only one. So let me write down here. Okay. So the dependent variable would be one attributes always. Clear? For example, in terms of number, okay, again, number means, okay, I'll come back to this one. In terms of image, it would be many. Understand, guys, what exactly I'm saying? For example, in India, the cat object is different, but US, the cat is different, but Africa, the cats are different. Yeah. So when terms of image data sets, the dependent variable will be changed. It couldn't be a binary class classifications. It could be a multi-class classifications. Understand or not, guys? It could be a multi-class classifications. Online team, are you guys are clear or not? So the one who joined lately, I want you to please go back and understand the recording. So in this case, let me tell this one. So dependent variable is price, rest of them are independent variable. Clear? So before I pay the price to the builder, I will check whether square feet of the house, does the school is nearest to my house, does shopping complex is nearest to the house, does metro is nearest to the house, and the work office location is nearest to the house. If all things satisfied, then you pay the price and your house is yours. Agree? So one is dependent, rest of them are independent. Now, what type of problem is this? Is this regressions or classifications? Everyone. Is this regressions? Square feet should dependent variable. Pramod, how could be a square feet would be dependent variable? So to builder, you give square feet or you pay price? Very simple, I'm just explaining. Understand? Now my simple questions, is this data set is regressions or classifications? Okay, you guys have said classifications. Online team? Gotham said regressions. Just now I talk about if the dependent variable is continuous. What exactly mean by continuous? Means 100, 200. Petrol prices continues or binary? Petrol prices continues or binary? Continues. So on this case, this data set is continuous or binary? Binary. The dependent variable, see this guys. So if the dependent variable is continuous in nature, then this is a regressions use case, not a classifications. Understand? Offline team, clear or not clear? If the dependent variable is continuous means 100 square feet 1 million, 200 square feet 2 million. Today petrol cost is 100. Tomorrow the petrol price is 200. Day after tomorrow 300. Binary or continuous? It is a continuous. If the dependent variable is continuous, this is called regressions. So we're going to implement these algorithms, guys, not these algorithms. Clear or not? Clear or not? In an interview, if you work as a classifications projects, they ask you what are the algorithms you build. You do not talk about this one. Understand? You cannot cut the tree with knife, or you cannot cut the onion with axe. Understand? So classification algorithms, you have to implement classifications only, not regressions. Online team, are you understand, guys? Difference between dependent, explain please once. Do you have proper net connections, Chandrahash? I already explained. Just go back to the, I'll come back to you, just one moment, please. I already told you, in a family, mother, brother, sisters are depends on your father. So the father is dependent and rest of them are independent. Got it? Clear what I'm trying to say? Yes, guys? Cool. Now let's talk about this one. Now let's say, let me hide this one. Let me hide this one. Dependent variable. Yes. Oh no. 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 Yes. Now let's understand this one. In this data set, is this dependent? I mean, is this regressions or classification? Why? How come? Because, guys, are you understand now difference between regressions and classifications? Because does the customer buy the house? Yes. You already bought the house. Does the customer buy the house? No. Does the customer buy the house? No. Does the customer buy the house? No. I hope you understand what exactly I mean by difference between yes and no. So can I impute yes to 1, no to 0, no to 0, yes to 1? Can I do this? Can I call about variable creation? Can I talk about variable creations? Can I say this? I create the variable from the categorical variable. Make the logic or not? Yes, guys, everyone. Online team, are you clear or not? Very easy example, I understand. See, let me tell you, if you understand the business use case, you are able to answer me the questions, right? Let's say you worked in a company where you don't have use case. So that's why you have to understand the business. That is the first logic. Clear? I hope you understand. So now what I wanted to say here, let's talk about this is classifications problem, because that's now I mentioned again. Here I'm going to write down again this one. If dependent variable is continuous, then use regression algorithms. Understand? If dependent variable is binary, then use classifications. Now you understand the concepts and logic behind this. If you do not understand this, guys, you don't understand machine learning algorithms. All right, that is the first thing. Crystal clear? Let's close this part. Now, out of these attributes, out of these 14th attributes, let me unhide this one and let's hide. Which are, see, independent variable I will denote as X. Okay. Dependent variable I will denote as Y. Got it? Understand or not, guys? In interview questions, this is what exactly, if you see yesterday, one interview asked to the student, did you see, I told you, do you remember this guy? Just one moment, this guy, if you see this, from the company called new startup company, difference between regressions and classifications. Did they ask or not in interview? Clear, guys? Or did I tell him to please post the question so that I can talk to you? It's not like that, isn't it? So difference, will you explain to the interviewer or not? Will you explain to the interviewer or not? Everyone, guys, online team. Yes. And also how we determine that in which scenario we use regression classifications. Can anybody answer to these questions, guys? Can anybody answer to these questions? Look at this question asked by one of recruiter. Which scenario you used regressions or classifications? If the dependent variable is continuous, we used regressions or else classifications. Clear now? Now let's talk about independent variable, dependent variable. Whenever we build some machine learning algorithms like this, okay, we split the data. Just one moment. File open. Oh, I'm sorry. Not this one. This is unstructured data. Let me open some of ML algorithms. If you talk about, did you see what is meant by X, dependent or independent? X, independent. Why? Don't you think I split the data like this? Yes or not? So this is very important concepts. Please understand the logic first, then we build the model later. First we understand the logic, then we build the model later, right? Now, okay, in the variable, what we're learning right now, we are learning variable identifications. In variable identifications, what we learned so far? In variable identifications, the first one we learned, independent variable, which we called X or Y? X. So now, can I say number X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6, X13? Can I write like this? Can I write like this or not? To purchase the to price predictions, how many independent variable we have? 14, 13, exclude 14. Can I call simple or multiple? This is multiple linear regressions. Understand? In multiple linear regressions, how many independent variable we want? More than one. In simple linear regressions, how many independent variable we want? Understand, guys? So if you understand EDA, then only you understand machine learning algorithms. Clear or not? Online team, very interesting or boring? Are you understand the logic, guys? So here, so let me write down here, independent variable X and dependent variable called Y. All right. Now I'll talk about best fit line later part, not right now. All right, guys. I hope you understand what exactly this one, independent variable and dependent variable. We know this one. In independent variable, what is relevant attributes? What is relevant attributes or irrelevant attributes? Let's talk about this one now. What is relevant attribute? What is irrelevant attribute? Now let's talk about this one, guys. I wanted to ask everyone, out of 13 independent variable, which are the relevant and which are the irrelevant? Anybody? Okay, what are those guys? Now tell me one by one. Name is relevant or irrelevant? Gender, relevant or irrelevant? To buy the house, is there somewhere male only purchase the house, female cannot purchase the house? Have you see any book or any logic? So can I say gender is irrelevant? So let me bold this one and put it as a, okay, let this fine. Mobile is relevant. Skin color, is it really required to purchase the house? Don't you think the black guys cannot purchase the house or white guys can purchase the house? So skin color, irrelevant feature. Hair color, see, hair color also irrelevant or relevant online team. Are you understand or not, guys? Irrelevant, right? Now height of the person, relevant or irrelevant? Irrelevant. Weight of the person, square feet of the house, that's and rest of them school, shopping, metro, office, all those things. Now there is a two use case I'm going to give up right now. There's two use cases. Please get in, please. Which class? Data science. All right. Yeah. So in this case, look at this, guys. There's a two use case that I generate right now. What are the first use case? Let's talk about the first use case. The first use case, I build the model and I build the visualizations with gender. I'm sorry. Name, mobile, and SFT, school, shopping, metro, office. This is use case A. All right. This is use case A. Now use case B. In use case B, all of things, number, name, gender, mobile, skin color, hair color, height, weight, and rest of things, copy. Now, which one you need to consider? You build the model on use case A, which is called plus. This is the model. And I'm sorry. And you build the model. Which one you need to consider, A or B? Why not B? If you build the attribute, if you build the model with these attributes, your model gives less accuracy. Understand? Understand, guys? Your model gives less accuracy and high error. So I'll tell you later what is meant by error terms, what is the performance measures of accuracies, all the details. Clear or not, guys? Clear or not? Online team, are you understand? B is irrelevant. Now, all the time, so let me get back to the points. Every time you need to visualize or build the model with relevant attributes, not irrelevant attributes. Understand or not? Now, you might ask another questions. Sir, so nice, but how to find out? How to find out which are relevant and which are irrelevant? Make sense or not? Is it a how to find out which are relevant and which are irrelevant? How to find out, guys? Online team, how to find out in the data set which are relevant attribute, which are irrelevant attributes? Correlations, that's the secondary terms comes up. I'll talk about it. The first one is called business use case. Okay. And the second one is called feature engineering. Lot of additional things I won't talk about right now. The first one is business use case, and second one is called backward eliminations. Backward eliminations, all of things we have technical terms comes up. I will share this notebook. I think I didn't share yesterday. Yes, guys, did I share or not? I will share today. All right. So a lot of things you need to learn, guys. So that's all about the connections between EDA to machine learning. So today what we learn, guys, every time we need to build the model with relevant attributes, does not build the model with irrelevant attribute. This is called variable identifications. This is called variable identifications. Are you guys clear, or anybody have any question? Is it your first class? Both of you? First class? Okay. Okay, just stay. I will speak with you. All right. Online team, everybody's clear, or anybody have any questions, guys? Good. Good so far. So the first topic we covered, which is called this part, unique variable identifications, correct? Now, in the data set, do you think these are the missing value? Do you think these are the missing value? Correct or not, guys? Today, I will talk about practically organizations. What is the difference between data analyst and data scientist do? Okay. Now let's talk about, if I give this data to the data analyst, they won't work this one, guys. They will work, they will write an email in this data. These values are missing. Okay. Business analyst, they find out, they take a suggestions, and they will visualize the data. They will visualize only square feet and price, because these two attributes, 1, 2, and 3. This is what the data analyst will do. They cannot do the future predictions. Understand or not, guys? Rihan, very simple business, guys. Before you buy the house, Rihan, don't you check the square feet or not? Of course, these are the relevant. Understand or not now? So very simple, guys. What exactly I'm trying to say? What exactly I'm trying to say, guys? Because this part, relevant and irrelevant attributes. Yes. Now let's talk about this one. In this graph, in this one, are you able to see the screen? Yeah. Zoom, just 1 second. Let's close it and reopen. Just bear with me, guys. Just 1 second. Still same or it's better? Still same, I think. Slideshow from current slide. No, it's not taking up. No, let's close this part. So just okay, guys, this part. Online team, I hope you can see this off. This part, student ID, gender, previous exam marks, height, weight, play cricket. Is this regressions use case or classification use case? How come classifications? Play cricket, Avinav said regressions. Play cricket 1,0. Classifications or regressions? Because the dependent variable is binary. Yes, Avinav? Very good, guys. I hope you understand the logic. Now, the next one, play cricket, is classifications. A student passed the exam. Do you think roll number will decide student passed the exam or failed the exam? Do you think a roll number decide student passed the exam or failed the exam? Whether it is a relevant or irrelevant attributes? Irrelevant. India win the match or lose the match, is it really the t-shirt color is mandatory? Those are the irrelevant attributes. So now you never ever build the model with irrelevant attributes. What problem comes up? Overfitting. What we called? Overfitting. I'll talk about later, not right now. What exactly mean by overfitting and underfitting? Make sense, guys? Clear, everyone? Okay. Now the variable identification is clear. So what we learn in variable identification? In variable identifications, we saw what is independent variable, what is dependent variable, what is relevant attributes, what is irrelevant attribute, and every time we need to build the model with relevant attributes. Clear? Now the difference between data analyst, so data analyst and business analyst and data engineer, these guys work in the, where I lost, these guys works in the historical data, right? Whatever the data stored in the database, last 10 years data they pulled and they visualize it. That's the work of data analyst. But these guys cannot build the future predictions. Well, how come? Because they should know how to fill the missing values. Yeah, they can fill the missing values numerical, but what about categorical value? For example, this one, where is that? Did I close that? 1 second. Yeah, so these missing values are there. How do you see? If a customer does not enter his gender, do you gonna call him or call her? No, right? But how do you replace? So data analyst can do that. So this is what we're going to learn in EDA. So how to replace this one? Tomorrow I'll tell you guys. Tomorrow I will tell you how to replace these missing value. Interesting or not interesting? So how to replace this? You have to replace this and then you build the visualizations. That's called EDA. Understand? So in interview question, how to impute the interview question, how to impute missing values in your project which you worked before. Isn't it a valid question or not? Isn't it a valid question or not? Because in the DB, lot of missing values are there. Next week, I will have a practical sessions. I will give you one database access. I clone the database. I shared with you. Everybody will create a raw data, how the raw data set looks like. Understand or not? Now, let's say data BA, they works only on clean data. They're not maximum, they're not works on clean data, but BA, what is BA do? BA gather the requirement, right? BA is works on Excel. As I mentioned, guys, if you're good at SQL plus Excel plus communications, you are good at BA, guys, right? If you know SQL, Python, plus Excel plus Tableau or Power BI, then you are eligible for data analyst role. Got it or not? Clear so far? Now you want to choose which one you want to go, guys. But trust me, in the company, CEO, CFO wants to know the future predictions. Understand? You wanted to know yourself, right? When do I get a job? Yep, so that's the future predictions. You can build your model as well, guys. Data science is not only for a job purpose, for your self improvement. I'll tell you on statistics, not right now. Lot of way to go. Okay, so I don't the theoretical sessions. I hope you understand. And second, next, go back to the second concepts. Okay, this part, how to impute the missing value, we're gonna talk tomorrow. But in the meantime, what is another steps we have? Can you please tell me what is univariate analysis? What is univariate analysis, guys? When we plot the graph using one variable, we called univariate. What is bivariate? Two variables. So I won't talk about one completed, two completed, three completed, right? Missing value pending, variable is pending, variable creation is pending. And another thing I just wanted to talk about, in bivariate analysis, I wanted to introduce And look very carefully this image. What is called? This is called correlation. What is called? Correlations. Now let's talk about bivariate analysis. What is bivariate analysis? Plot the graph using two variable is called bivariate. Just give me some time, guys. Then we understand. Now let's plot the graph over here. I wanted to plot the graph like this. Let's say how many x-axis? I'm sorry, just one moment. X-axis, y-axis. Bivariate or univariate? Bivariate. So now 100 square feet house, 200 square feet house, 300 square feet house, 400 square feet house, 500 square feet house. So let's talk about SFT, right? Now 100 cost 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, and 4 million. Now, if I plot the data points, so 100 square feet, let me plot the data points over here. Agree? Second 200 square feet house, let me plot the data points over here. And 300 square feet, let me plot the data points over here. 400 square feet, let's plot the data points here. Now, if I connect all the plots, all the data points, can I say linear? Now, square feet and price, is it relevant or irrelevant? Mostly relevant. So look at this, guys. I'm trying to introduce a new concept today called correlations. What exactly this one? Correlations. What is meant by correlations, guys? See the pattern of the graph. If the two variables are moved together, so this is called strongly positive correlations. Make sense? If the graphs are moved negative, this is called negative correlations. When you find negative correlations, what is the relevant or irrelevant attributes? Irrelevant. Excellent. Guys, are you understand or not? All the time we plot the patterns, and I hope you notice one day on metrics or somewhere, I think data frame, we just build this model. Just give a second. Let me show up. Where is the data frame? Somewhere up. Yep. Just give a second. And I want you to give the answer. So before I pop up, I just wanted to talk about, write down this statement. Did you see this one? Correlation ranging from multiple choice questions. Correlations varies between -1 to 1. Understand? So correlations varies between -1 to 1. So let me write it down here. If you see this, +1 means what? Strongly positive correlations. -1 means what? Negative correlations. 0 means no correlations. Understand? So all the time you trying to build the model with relevant attributes. When you plot the data between two attributes, you need to find out the pattern. This is the pattern. Yeah. All the time, remember this pattern, guys. This pattern we're going to implement a lot of informations in upcoming days. Yeah. Just give a second. Let me show you. Yeah, tell me, negative or positive correlations, this graph. Online team, can you hear me? Negative or strongly negative or positive? So I mean, can we build the model with these attributes? See guys, internet users and birth rate, is there any relationship between two attributes? No. Birth rate is other case, internet users is different cases. Yeah. So this is called moderate negative. No, Arshad, I cannot say moderate. So there's no concepts called moderate. I could say the three concepts only: strong positive, strong negative, and no correlations. How the no correlations looks like? Let me show you how the no correlations looks like. Let's talk about this one. It's scattered. The data points are scattered over here. See this, isn't it? Understand, guys? So this part we called, this both we called positive correlations, and this both we called negative correlations. This one is called no correlations. So which one we need to consider? Which one we need to consider, team? Positive or negative? Strongly positive and positive. All right, clear, crystal clear up to this one. Okay, so how do we plot this graph? How do we plot this graph? Who will give this positive and negative? By your plotting techniques like line plots, regressions lines, and all those things. Clear, guys? So today I stop here, all right, because theoretically sessions, I won't take much time. Tomorrow I complete rest of things. Tomorrow I'll wind up EDA, that's close. EDA will close it. And tomorrow I'm gonna start to work some of the projects if time allows, or we see on Monday. All right, guys? Interesting, everybody's understand? And so today, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, you have 5 days, 4 days you have with you. I humble request everybody to please complete your pending project list till this one and come back. You will be exciting on Monday, trust me. And next week, I introduce to the SQL databases and all those things. Okay, get ready with your laptop. Make sense, guys? Okay, I think let me post down these notes first. Correlations. Okay, there is a relationship between two variable is called correlations. Okay, 0 to 1, positive or negative, guys? Positive correlations. And -1 means negative correlations. 0 means no correlations. What is the range? Very good. Range of the correlations. Now, can you speak with interview or not? No, sir, you spoke, but after that I forgot because last night I had a party. Huh? -1 to 1. Okay, so I think I shared these notes to you or not, guys? Can you tell me up to which I shared this one? 7th? Hey, don't tell lie, man. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna send everything's right now. Oops. Oops. Again, project list this part. Done and done. Okay, so I'm gonna send right away 10 a.m. batch where you guys are. So please update your info on the drive sheets, and if it not accessed, send me the link so that who doing this? Come on, buddy, let's stop the screen. Now you can't do. One moment, browse. Okay, guys, post it. Clear? You just prepare your notes based on your understanding. Hi. EDA will post tomorrow. Please. Oh, Excel sheets, do you require this one or not required? Excel sheets, guys, this part. Is it required? No, that's okay. I'll save it, guys. Maybe you understand. File. Save. That's okay. I will send it tomorrow. I'll send it tomorrow. That's okay. I don't know where do I save this one. All right. So class notes. What is the difference between movie is null.ne? .ne, I think it will give you only false informations. Archana, did you got your answer? Rating dot correlations. Archana, I'll unmute you just one moment. All right. Okay, that's it for today's sessions, guys. You have a great day. See you tomorrow. And Saturday, Sunday, no sessions. Monday we'll catch up again. But tomorrow we have session, okay? So please join tomorrow sessions. Thank you. Yeah. Dependent variable category. Yes. I will tell you tomorrow. Good question you raised. Yes and no, categorical, right? But we can impute to numerical again. Yes, that's come under classifications. The any categorical. I'll show you tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. You just follow this. I will tell you. No need to worry. No, I will tell you what things need to practice. Okay. Thanks. Thank you. Archana, just wait for a second. Let me speak with you. Thank you. ఎడిట్ రావట్లేదా ఎందుకు అది కరప్ట్ అయింది క్లోజ్ చేసి ఇంకోసారి ఓపెన్ చేయండి why did like that ఎందుకు అట్లా చేసిన తర్వాత kernel stop అయిపోయింది రీస్టార్ట్ చేశాను did you kill the kernel no sir restart okay do one thing ఇంకోసారి రీస్టార్ట్ ట్రై చేయండి let's close it ఇంకా కాకపోతే maybe it's correct అయింది issue software is corrupted okay you have to do it again from beginning ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఫైల్ ఆటోమేటిక్ గా సేవ్ ఇది మీరు సేవ్ చేసుకోండి ఇది just open here okay. I send the file right you upload again yeah I send the file you upload again okay thanks now వస్తది file you need to go back here and let's check it now ikkada chudandi ikkada meer save chesaru open that one movies length no this is how come you upload html file I said right .ipynb file one second call him yeah okay please upload csv file upload again ఇది ఉండని ఇది ఇట్లా ఉండని మూవీ లెంగ్త్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేను చెప్పినాను కదా any question buddy any question syllabus you can talk to them right I told you this guy is sitting Rajesh someone is sitting outside sit back and ask them you got the files or not every day you getting right you need recording syllabus you can download syllabus Naresh syllabus but I didn't give the syllabus to anyone but I'll check with me yesterday every day I will talk to you the syllabus I'll show you once we complete I'll show the syllabus correct recording please connect with them they will share with you so నేనేం చెప్తున్నా మూవీ లెంగ్స్ I already shared right ఒక పాత్ మీకు సెండ్ చేశాను అట్లా కాదు what exactly I'm saying one second guys so anyone help this one I will tell to someone to help you it's very simple task I will tell someone to help you okay good thanks okay. ఏం కాదు మీరు కరప్ట్ ఏం కాలే బాగానే ఉంది సాఫ్ట్వేర్ మీరు తప్పు HTML ఫైల్ చేశారు ఇక్కడ ఐపైథాన్ బి చేయకుండా HTML మూవీ లెంగ్త్ చేశారు ఇక్కడ .ipynb చూడండి ఇక్కడ HTML ఉంది అందుకే అది మీకు ఓపెన్ కావట్లేదు గాట్ ఇట్ సేవ్ అవుతుంది మీరు సేవ్ చేయండి సేవ్ జస్ట్ సింపుల్ ఇక్కడ మీరు ఒకసారి సేవ్ చేయండి ఇక్కడ ఇది షార్ట్ కట్ ఉంది కదా
ఇట్లా సేవ్ చేసి అయిపోయింది. దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ సేవ్. ఒకసారి రీసెర్చ్ చేయండి, ఆటోమేటిక్ అయిపోయి క్లోజ్ చేసేయండి, ఆటోమేటిక్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, వస్తుంది వస్తుంది వస్తుంది. జస్ట్ వన్ మూమెంట్ గైస్. యా అర్చన, 1 second, I'll be online please. I will teach you Hemant tomorrow. Yes buddy, any question? 1 second. Yes Archana, unmute you. Sunita, Shiva, yes please. Archana, please tell me what's your question.
Sir, actually for that, by mistake I have write only one.
Yeah, so let me tell you what you need to do.
Okay.
Movies.easnel, just don't do this.
Okay.
What I wanted to do, go to the Google and type here, okay, what is the dot any functions in Python? Let's check it out and return it, study, and then you tell me tomorrow. It's very easy. I want you to research. Now rating dot correlations. I hope you understand correlations. You ignore this topic because correlations just now, right Archana? Archana, are you there? Archana, can you hear me or not? Yes. So yeah, unmute you. What you want to do? Correlation, you can skip it because we're learning this one. Dot any. Just now I talk about little bit, explore this one and let me know tomorrow. You only tell me the answer. It will give you only true items, okay, using the help of all functions. Clear? Okay. Yes, Shiva, please go ahead.
Sir, day before yesterday, given work, sir, you are given a workable downloaded from Kaggle.com, sir.
Okay.
In that, when creating imaginary box, it is not coming.
Create imaginary box.
It is not getting output, sir.
Which one imaginary, buddy? I hope you post some error over here, right?
Yes, sir.
Just 1 second. Sunita is there. Very good, Arsha. Thank you for help to others. Ajad, good job, guys. Try to help others. God will help you. Very simple. Where do you post, buddy? Shiva, how to overcome with this image to upload? Why you work right now, buddy? I don't talk about which image? Tag.maxmovies.mean. You want to talk this one, Shiva?
Yes, sir. Box plot.
Okay, this is the box is called operating system error. I already gave you the comment informations, right? Did you see over here? I mentioned import OS. Can you try and execute this one? Import warnings.filter warning and check again. Yes, Shiva?
Yes, sir. Import warning, ignore the filter warning.
Let's copy. Excuse me. Check this and let me know. Okay. Only this one, not this one.
Okay.
I understand you're getting this one. This is not error. You get the output, right? This
No,
is not
sir.
error.
No, not the. I have. It is coming, but next I have got this plot tag visualization one I have got, but visualization to box plots you have explained this, sir.
See, at this moment, what exactly I'm saying, just follow that. All right.
Okay.
When the days goes on, you can understand automatically. See, sometimes some of the attributes do not be understood by your machines and packages as well. Clear, buddy?
Okay.
Yeah, some of the time you need to, some of you packages box plot had some measures. Go back to the box plot and shift tab plus and little bit analysis. Analyze that one, you will get it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so no need to worry, just follow what I'm saying. Very simple. Next, you got same thing. If you wanted to plot box plot, go back and check it, box plot, and let's try to research, Shiva. That is very important. Again, I'm saying, okay, and definitely you get answers, but don't spend much time on this one because you have a plenty of tasks to work. Yeah, so please do that. Okay. Nishu, how is going on? Ajad, how is going on, guys? Thank you, Shiva. Unmute you. Drakshayani, how is going on?
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Yes, Drakshayani, please tell me.
Actually, we are sorry that to not doing the task, sir. Actually, I have no time. I'm doing some work.
Then whose
So we
mistake is
are
that? Tell me.
no. This is my mistake. Actually, I'm doing the working employee, sir.
I know.
So
See, let me tell you.
I
I'm
will be
also.
trying to weekends to be complete the all tasks.
So let me tell you.
Okay.
In the life, three things is important, Drakshayani.
Yeah.
Time management, family management, skill management. The
Yeah.
one who controls these three things, no one will lose you. That is the first thing. God given us 24 hours. Ask yourself how to take 1 hour per day. Very simple. Now things will come. Very clearly,
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah, I understand, sir. So I will be planned to weekends will be doing works,
Please,
project.
please do it, do it. So you have today,
Yeah.
tomorrow, 4 days you have. If you done every day two tasks, you're done. The course
Yeah.
will be complete and you will be so excited. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't do research, complete whatever I'm given up. That's it.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, Ajad, please go ahead. Venkatesh,
Hello, sir.
unmute you. Yeah, Venkatesh. Yes, Ajad, please.
Sir, the Excel sheet of the students' details, I have
Hmm.
not received that in Google Classroom.
How many times, Ajad, I told you already I given this one, right? You copy and paste it in the tab. You copy the link, okay? The one which I sent you, Ajad, copy and paste it in other tab.
Sir, the link is not there in my Google Classroom. I have not get the link also. I don't know why.
You scroll down. Okay, let's do it right away. Let's copy. Now you can check. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So,
Arshad, Venkatesh. Yes, please go ahead, guys.
sir, as I said that I was absent from last 1 week, sir, because of
Why?
issue. Actually, I did not get that user ID and password. So,
I
that's
think I already gave you one day. I emailed you. Is that you at night time? No,
no, sir.
I don't think so. No.
No.
So
Yesterday I got that
see,
user
that's.
ID and password. So,
Can you collect recording and all these things? Everything. Are you get access to get into this page or not?
yes, sir.
Classroom.
Now I got that user ID and password. I am accessing, but I did not get
Lot
any
of
class.
classes missing.
Yes, sir. Almost 10 days, I think so.
10 days. It's a very big class, big sessions. Ask to your friends. Interesting or not, the sessions are right.
Yes, sir.
If you one day missing, you miss a lot. Let me tell you again. Try to cover all those things. Okay. I have some time. Okay.
Yes, sir. But how can I get that recordings or else?
Recording, you go back to the support team, guys, because I don't have access. Sorry.
Sir, can I
Okay.
able to understand from here?
Yeah, you can understand. No need to worry. You
But
can understand.
you were
So
saying
do one thing. You can see the what we called as the task which I've given, and maybe you can connect with someone. Arshad, are you here? Arshad, are you here? Can you hear me, Arshad?
Yes, sir.
Can you help to Venkatesh if he is stuck somewhere?
Yeah, sure. You can post the questions, like I will look at it.
Yes, Venkatesh.
sir, can I get numbers? Arshad number.
Arshad, can you give your number, please? I will send it to him. You can post your number in the chat to me, please. You can post your questions, buddy, Venkatesh. Yeah,
Where
so that.
Yes, sir, of course. Not in class. In Google
Yeah,
Class.
WhatsApp. Yeah, Google Classroom. Yes, please.
Sir, but after opening the Google Classroom, I am not able to get that PDF file, sir. It was getting that unsupported file.
Yeah, Arshad, please help him, na? He have the same. Okay, 1 second. What's your name? Venkatesh, right?
Yes,
1 second, Venkat. Yeah, this is Arshad. You can check with him. All right.
sir, I did
Got
not
it
get
right?
the number.
Okay.
Yes, sir, just a minute. Okay.
How is going on, Arshad, for you? All good so far?
Yes, sir. Completed all the projects, by the way.
Excellent.
Uh,
I think you are in another level of confidence right now, isn't it?
yes, sir. Yes, absolutely.
I know, buddy.
Enjoying it. Enjoying it.
I know, I know. You definitely enjoy the one who comes to me. You love the class till end,
Yes, sir.
till last.
Yeah. Sir,
And
today's link we will get the YouTube link, right, sir?
nobody. Why?
No. Oh,
No.
actually, I missed today. I missed 20 minutes in the
Oh,
beginning.
then it's a bad. We covered a lot. I saw them some of the computer vision task as well to the students.
Yeah, the first 20 minutes, I
Yeah,
think.
first 10 minutes I show them images, and then 10 minutes I talk about some things. Okay, now okay, no
Oh.
problem. No need to.
And at least the PPT file, sir.
PPT I will send tomorrow.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
That's good. I
first
can
half
look
of
at it.
movie is completed, second half is pending. Yeah, so once
Yeah.
complete, I will send to you. Okay,
Sure, sir.
good. Cool, guys. Good job. Practice, study, hard work. I'm here. No problem. No need to fear. We will do it. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.
Thanks, bye, sir.
And my Google class code, unfortunately lost one. Class code. See, guys. Do not. What's your question, Savina? Right? Arvind. Just 1 second. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.